हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल बर्निंग जॉब्स एंड करियर। आज के वीडियो में आपका स्वागत है। आज का वीडियो मेरे उन दोस्तों के लिए है जो अपनी एजुकेशन अभी कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं या फिर परस्यूइंग कर रहे हैं इन एनी ऑफ द मैनेजमेंट डिग्री। इट कैन बी योर BBA, इट कैन बी योर MBA। जैसा कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि ड्यूरिंग MBA हम लोगों को इंटर्नशिप करनी होती है। सो वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग इंटर्नशिप टू द MBA कैंडिडेट्स or the BBA candidates. This internship is into different domains like HR and marketing. इसका जो working location रहेगा that is into Zirakpur, which is our head office in Chandigarh. If we talk about internship contents, हम लोग provide कर रहे हैं HR के अंदर into the recruitment portfolio. Recruitment covers all type of recruitments, IT recruitments, non-IT recruitments. And in the marketing, if we talk about, that is for the business development portfolio. And third one is the documents verifications. So इन तीन domains के अंदर हम लोग internship provide कर रहे हैं with the 2 months of internship. It would be a paid internship along with the certifications. And if you are doing well, तो उसके बाद आपके पास एक job offer भी रहेगा from our company. If anyone is looking for the internship या फिर आपका कोई और दोस्त who is looking for the internship, do share us your CV. We can be in touch with you. Let's start with the second position. This position we have in 2 different locations, Delhi and Bangalore. अगर हम बात करें career start की, Delhi and Bangalore is the most preferable city for the freshers to work and grow. So this position is with one of our leading client into system integrator who is providing products and solutions for the different industry into the market, like it can be telecom industry, IT services, for the audio video visuals. We have 3 positions for Delhi location. Delhi में location है हमारे पास ओखला. First position we have is for inside sales. For this, male females we are open for both category. Inside sales candidates should be good into the communication skills, good into the lead generation profile. Any graduates will work for this position. Budget we have is 25 to 30,000. Second position we have IT purchase. IT purchase person should be good into the purchasing of material from vendors, who is good into the relationship building with the vendors, taking timely delivery from the vendors. And for this position, budget we have around 25 to 30,000. Fresher or 1 year of experience candidates will work. Third position we have for the marketing executive. It would be field sales executive. For this position, we need only the male candidate because इसमें थोड़ा सा traveling रहेगा. And for this position, we need someone who is good into the communication again, as it would be B2B marketing. Budget we have is around 30,000, 35,000 depending on their caliber. We are open for the discussion. So that's the 3 positions we have in Delhi location. Next position we have in Bangalore. Bangalore में location है हमारे पास जयानगर. This position is for the field sales executive with the same company. We need someone who's having good exposures into the IT products, as it is an audio video visuals company. So IT knowledge would be added advantage for all of positions. Field sales executive position is in Bangalore, which is their branch office, who is good into the communication skills, B2B marketing. Salary budget is again 30 to 35,000. And if we talk about this company is having 4 offices. Head office is in Delhi, they have offices in Lucknow, they have office in Bangalore, and soon they have started their office in Singapore. So you have an opportunity to grow on international level too. So that's it for today's position for our freshers candidates. You can stay with us, you can tune us for the more updates. We come up with the very positions for freshers. You can share us your CV on given below ID. Our team will be in touch with you. Stay tuned our channel, stay follow and keep subscribe. Thank you so much.